Around 4:30, I received a video call from Kaden. Tapos sabi niya, Ma'am, may fire, ganyan. And then nakita ko sa video, tinatry ni Tino na i-fight yung fire through the hose. Tapos, na ano naman niya, pero bigla na lang may malaking fire na nakita ko sa video. And then the call was cut. Tapos I look at the camera, CCTV, wala na rin ako makita. So I got so scared. So I called na 911. Hindi ko alam ba't 911 na tawag ko. Tapos si Jen sa office, she called 000. So in the meantime, when I was calling 911, redirected naman pala siya sa 000. So nakabuti na din. And then I told the address, ganyan. Pero that time, sabi ko, teka muna, can I please sit down? Kasi I can't breathe. Parang, I don't know, I just can't breathe. So I have to sit down. Parang makahinga lang ako. And then I told the details. I was rushing back home. In the meantime, I called Carlene. Kasi galing siya sa office. She was going home na. So sabi ko, baka on the way na siya. So I called, Ining, our home is on fire. Can you please go home? I cannot reach Kaden. I cannot reach Tatay. And then, nag-drive na rin siya going home. She was trying to call Kaden. Nung nakausap niya na si Kaden, she called me back. I was driving na. Sabi niya, Ma'am, Kaden is okay. Tatay is okay. And then, settled na ako. Okay na ako.